Yes. Ah, Hello guys. This is Simon Peter once again. As many call me Simon Snipes, and today is a beautiful day. It's an awesome day. Another day to stand within the Roy Club and earn a passive income. Yay, guys! This is like so good. This is so much beneficial, profitable for you guys out there. People who are looking for work. I mean, you can work from your home, guys. Like you can like sit back and just do like work off home, like just there. And it's amazing because the Roy Club Bounty program, came in, as like a drive or like a goal within the Roy Club to see how they can be able to reach like a vast amount or number of people that they may be able to join the club and participate and look at aiming at the goal of attaining a financial freedom with it, and that is like it, guys. Today is the Monday, definitely our first. I would call it our first day of the week. A lot happens. How you plan your day, how you plan your week, and yeah, the Bible says that a man might plan his ways, but it is God who directs his footsteps. So sometimes we do plan, and you find that God is directing us in a different direction from where we had started. And I think that is like pretty solid. So, guys, today, as uh, as we go to this video, I'm going to show you guys how to edit your DNS servers within your MacBook computer. So I'm gonna check what our terminal is saying, and so let's just do an nslookup to command to just kind of give us what is out there to see. Yeah, so our server address currently, our DNS is this, and yeah, we can look up and other sites, so this is okay right now, it's functional. So we're gonna see how we can change our DNS server to something else that is probably more, depending on what your need is. You can maybe reach one day and your addresses are not resolving. You're typing in sites, the domain names are not actually being resolved, and you seriously want to get on and start doing your Roy Club tasks, but hey, your connection is failing you. I mean, your DNS servers are not functioning, and you like want to change. You've come up with a solution, and you're like, hey, I need to change my DNS from this to, like, let's say for example today, Google DNS. All right. So we have to go to system preferences. We can go to the left and click the Apple icon, go to preferences. Or usually, if you have your preferences tied down to your dock, you could also select that. So let us go into the network tab. All right. So right now we're on Wi-Fi. So it's selected, so this is where we would be able to configure. So there is a button that we shall find here. It's called advanced. So when we click advanced, it shows us the Wi-Fi names, it shows us the TCP/IP, the IP address, the DNS, and some other values. But what we're interested in today is the DNS. All right. So we could see that our first DNS server is this, and this is our second. All right, and this is our third. But we realized that when we did our nslookup, it was bouncing on this. That means that the first one isn't functioning. So let's remove this. All right, let's even remove that. Let's remove everything, and no, let's not remove everything. Let's include the secondary. Let me see, include this, and let's move it to the top list, and let's see if it will be able to pick. So once you have added your DNS server, you can click OK. After clicking OK, make sure you apply the changes. So let's apply these changes. So let us see whether our changes have been picked up. So let's just rerun the NS. Yes, as you can see, it has picked up our new DNS. It is just so instant. All right. So that is how you can be able to change your DNS server on your MacBook computer in case there's some problem and you're troubleshooting and you find out there's a problem with your DNS and it's not functioning well. So you would be able to do that and alter your DNS server. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much. Roy Club is here for you. Roy Club is here to give you a passive income for you and your family. Join Roy Club and let's succeed together. Otherwise, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.